那些服务人员
怎么用？I show you magic. Look. Oh. Oh, stupid kid. Dum dum. Me want some dum dum. Do you have some dum dum? Dum dum. Dum dum.
Baby, hello, hello. So cute. 小可爱，小可爱。We are going to Decathlon.
Are you recording?
No. We are going to Costco.
Yo, what up, dogs? Welcome to Taiwan vlog number 1. This is Costco. Yo, what up, dog? I'm back with my Costco hot dog. Jesus, bro.
So said that this looks like some guy giving another guy a... And I can't unsee it anymore.
Yeah.
那些服务人员
怎么用？I like it raw. Alright guys, I got my chicken cutlet. After so long, let's try it. Delicious.
Oh, not bad.
What the hell?
What do you get?
This guy. 还有那个卡。
Hi y'all. So excuse my face, the shyness and all, because I have a sleeping mask on. It's 4 a.m. now in Taichung, my hotel. I mean, I'm alone now because left for his friend's wedding, and I think I woke up because I'm too excited for latest trip, the bike trip. Not that I don't miss you. 有加油站吗？前面有啊。哦，好，谢谢。Room tour. This is the bathroom. And there's a smart TV. It has Netflix and YouTube. Yay! The bed and the aircon. It's pretty spacious actually. Nah, here's the outside. Not sure if y'all can see my bike. Let's see here. So I was unpacking my stuff and I realized, damn! Good morning. So looking at the view from my room today. So actually I wanted to film the sunrise, but it's cloudy today I guess, because just now when I went up there, I camped for like almost 30 minutes, but there was no sunrise, it was just clouds. I'm quite sad, but it's whatever. Now I'm going to go for breakfast. Then after that, I shall go to Ali Shan. me. Time to go home. Sunset.